Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Productivity Tips. In this today's tips, I am going to teach about, for example, if you have some text in that, okay, some text will have space in front or back or middle. So how to make this text as a clean, okay, that only I am going to teach in this today's Excel Productivity Tips. Okay, so now I have a data like this. Okay, so welcome to, and there was a lot of spaces. After that I have a Excel. So next thing is, there was a space before the welcome. Okay, there was some space after that, and after two and Excel there was some space in that. Okay, and in the third thing, welcome to Excel, and we have a lot of spaces in the end. Okay, so how, if you find this type of data, so how to solve this in a very simple and easy manner. Okay, now I will insert a formula. I will insert a formula in the next B cell. Okay, so the formula is called trim. TRIM is a trim. So I will select this text. So what text you want to trim? So I want to trim the A2 cell. So enter. Once you select this, and I will drag this formula, all the cell will now is in the cleaned text. Okay, so instead of shuffling with the space, the gaps, so now it will in the uniform thing. So the trim function is very helpful for you cleaning the data in Excel. Hope this Excel productivity tips will helpful for you to improve your Excel skill. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.